वक्फ आईन को नहीं सुप्रीम कोर्ट का बड़ राय पूरा आईन उपर रोक लगाइबा को मना कले सर्वोच्च अदालत आईन बलवत्तर रहिबो तेबे केतेक गुरुत्वपूर्ण प्रावधान उपर कटकणा लगाइछंती कोर्ट किछि विवादीय प्रावधान को परवर्ती शुनानी पर्यंत रोक लगाइछंती मामलार शुनानी करी दुई जणिया खंडपीठ अंतरीण आदेश दैछंती समग्र आईन को स्थगित रखिबा को कोनोसी जुक्ति नाही बोली कहिछंती खंडपीठ धारा 374 उपरे लागिला कटकणा ट्रिब्यूनल विचाराधीन थिबा विवादर समाधान करि पारिबेनी जिलापाल केवल ट्रिब्यूनल निष्पत्ति नेबे विवादीय नथिबा व्यवस्था गुडी को कार्यकारी करिबा को अनुमति दैछंती खंडपीठ
made very categorical interim order today. Number one, there is no stay on the amendments brought in by the central government headed by Maniya Narendra Modi ji. So there is no stay on the amendments. Only there is a interim order in favor of the petitioners regarding that they cannot be deprived of the work property without following the procedure laid down in the law, including the amended law. Third, that if any work has to be taken by the government or the possession has to be taken back, that the procedure laid down in the Waqf Act, including the amendment of the Waqf, that procedure has to be followed by the tribunal as well as by the Honorable High Court. So after judgment of the tribunal only, that order can be given effect to. So that is the very clear order today by the Honorable Supreme Court.
The Supreme Court has first found that there is a prima facie case for stay on certain provisions. They have not stayed all the provisions, the complete act, but certain provisions have been stayed, like the provision that said that you have to be a Muslim for 5 years have been stayed because there is no mechanism to determine whether the same can happen or not, to determine whether someone has been a Muslim for 5 years or not. Apart from that, the provision 23C, the court has said that until unless there is a mechanism devised, no third party interest can be created. Nothing can be, the people cannot be dispossessed of their Waqf properties. As far as non-Muslim members are concerned, the court has said that in the Waqf board it cannot be more than 3 and not more than 4 in the section 9. And on the registration, the court has apparently extended the time limit but has not stayed the provision.